monitor your houseplant's happiness like you did with your Tamagotchi? Are you still cleaning the dirt off your own phone? Still don't know if you're overwatering those plants? Do you keep on losing those house keys every few months? Who knew there are plenty of products out there to solve all these problems and more? Some might label these products as useful life hacks. But considering the average person still spends 29 minutes a day doing his or her chores, others would say they're 100% necessary, and we'd have to agree. Want to see them for yourself? Welcome to another episode of TechJoint. Today, we're counting down 10 home gadgets to instantly upgrade your life. Oh, and if you're having trouble going to the bathroom at night without waking up the whole house, you'll definitely want to stick through to number 1, because this upgrade will truly revolutionize your bathroom. Alright, let's jump into it. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Number 10. Phone Toaster. Did you know the average cell phone carries 10 times more bacteria than a toilet seat? Yep, a recent study at the University of Arizona found more than 17,000 bacterial gene copies of phones of high school students, and adults didn't do much better. Unfortunately, wiping your phone won't do the trick. And let's be honest, how often do you remember to spray it with sanitizer? In comes the Phone Toaster, the world's first 5-in-1 UVC phone sanitizer. Phone Toaster uses powerful UVC lights to remove all harmful bacteria and viruses swarming on your phone in just 5 minutes. It will make sanitizing your phone a daily habit, just like charging your phone. Oh wait, you won't have to do that either. That's because Phone Toaster doubles as a wireless charger, Bluetooth speaker, external USB charger, and alarm clock all in one. Speak of a life upgrade. Number 9. Blink. Ever wanted to ride your bike, but it was just too rainy outside and the elliptical just wouldn't cut it? Well, now you can ride your bike indoors in VR. Yep, Blink lets you ride your bike in virtual reality, giving you a full outdoor biking experience. The VR-enabled bike controller allows you to navigate virtual worlds from the seat of your very own real-world bicycle, and is compatible with all VR headsets. Using a high-tech path sensor, Blink detects where your bike's handlebar is facing and translates it to your virtual bike. Meanwhile, the attachable speed sensor measures your exact velocity and translates it over to VR as well. The result is a full-fledged biking experience out of the comfort of your own home. It even comes with a companion app that keeps track of stats like calories burned, power, and speed. Real quick, before you see our next seriously life-improving gadget, we've got a quick challenge for you. Here's the deal. If you leave us a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications in less than 5 seconds, you'll win 10 years of incredible luck. Try it. It actually works. Number 8. My Critter Catcher. Not a fan of bugs in the home, but don't think they deserve to die because of it? Tired of spraying harmful chemicals in your home? Don't like squishing bugs in your home and cleaning up after? Well, then say hello to the My Critter Catcher. My Critter Catcher finally gives you the power to catch and release critters of all shapes and sizes, no matter where they're hiding. Its long handle keeps any bug opponent at a safe and comfortable distance, while safely surrounding and enclosing the critter in its soft bristles. This keeps it completely safe while simultaneously making it unable to escape, allowing you to release the critter back into its natural habitat. Not only is this better for you, it's better for bugs and the environment. Who knew it could have been that easy all along? Number 7. Door Cam. The name says it all, but unlike most security cameras for your door, this one needs no wires. Yep, Door Cam is the world's first and only wire-free over-the-door smart HD camera with built-in motion sensor, two-way talk, and night vision. It only takes seconds to install, and Door Cam will watch your entryway for up to 12 months before your batteries need to be replaced. Not only can it be self-installed on almost any residential doors without damaging property, but its Wi-Fi antenna sits on the inside of the door, so you'll have little to no Wi-Fi interference from thick building materials. Thanks to its motion sensor and cloud-based solution, Door Cam allows you to replay any missed activities in the last 30 days straight from your phone. If you're non-techie and can't afford expensive camera installation, this is about as simple as home security is ever going to get. Number 6. Ninja Foodie. Ninja Foodie ovens are unlike any other ovens you've ever seen before. Why? Because they let you make everything from chicken wings to french fries to cookies, oil-free. That's right, say goodbye to sticky ovens. Ninja Foodie is the world's first meal-making ovens that sits right on your counter and air fries your favorite foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. And that's not all. You'll get to say goodbye to long waiting times because your Ninja Foodie oven preheats in as little as 90 seconds and cooks entire family-sized meals in as little as half an hour. This fast, versatile, and functional oven is a true ninja by definition. Number 5. Lua Smart Plants. Ever wish your plants could just tell you what it needs? Then say hello to Lua, the pot that turns your plant into a cheerful pet. Using sensors, Lua measures your plant's soil moisture, light exposure, and temperature to keep it alive and well. Based on what your plant is feeling, Lua triggers 15 different animated emotions. Lua will tell you it's thirsty when soil moisture drops below threshold. It tells you it's sick when it's had too much water. It turns into a vampire if it hasn't gotten enough sunlight lately. It squints if exposure to light is too strong and harmful, and your plant wants some shades. Lua even tells you when your plants are feeling too cold or too hot by sneezing and sweating. Oh, and if faces aren't enough, Lua's phone app will give you all the numbers on your plant's current status. Number 4. Wise Scale. Say goodbye to difficult body fat calipers and forget recording your weight every day. At only $19.99, WiseScale is the most affordable smart body composition analyzer that measures so much more than your weight. WiseScale measures your body fat, lean body mass, heart rate, and 8 other essential metrics, giving you a full picture of your health. What's more, you don't need to bother keeping track of anything. WiseScale stores and syncs all your metrics via Bluetooth for up to 8 separate family members. No tapping or turning on necessary. Just step right on and measure away. Number 3. Ultralock Ubolt Pro. Do you lock yourself out all the time or lose your house keys often? Do you run an office and can't be bothered to make tons of key copies for everyone? Or perhaps you run a bed and breakfast and prefer letting guests check in on their own? Whatever your case, the Ultralock Ubolt Pro is going to save you some serious hassle. The Ultralock Ubolt Pro is a super secure smart deadbolt that offers 6-in-1 keyless entry to your home. That's right, in addition to your mechanical key, the Ubolt Pro lets you unlock your door via smartphone app, fingerprint, number code, auto unlock, and magical phone shake. Using Ultralock's Bridge app, you can manage users, give others temporary access, and monitor all activity at your door from anywhere in the world. Oh, and if you're too busy or lazy to go get the door, you can always ask Alexa to do it for you. Number 2. BedJet 3. Got the night sweats? Even with air conditioning, those covers can lock in some serious moisture, can't they? Well, then say hello to the BedJet 3. Its highly unique air-based cooling and warming technology is the fastest, most powerful in the industry. BedJet cools your bed without changing the feel of your mattress, without the need for mattress toppers, with no wires, no leaky tubes of water to sleep on, and no electromagnetic frequencies in your bed. Silent as ever, the BedJet 3 nozzle adapts to your existing bedding for the very best cooling or warming performance and a perfect night's rest. Oh, and if you still toss and turn all night because you're sweating 1 hour and freezing the next, you'll love BedJet's biorhythm feature, which lets you pre-program personalized cooling and warming for every hour of the night. You can even replace your noisy alarm clock with a BedJet temperature wake-up trigger. Number 1. Illumi Bowl. Trouble finding the bathroom at night? Don't want to turn on the lights and wake up the whole house? As seen on Shark Tank, the Illumi Bowl is here to save the day, or rather, the night. Illumi Bowl is the world's first toilet light. Using the bathroom at night is serious business. No one likes to stumble in the dark or wake themselves up with bright lights for a little midnight whiz. So let Illumi Bowl be your light at the end of the tunnel. It is both light sensitive and motion activated, so it will only turn on in the dark when you enter the bathroom. Oh, and you can set your Illumi Bowl to any color of the rainbow. You're welcome, night owls. And those were 10 home gadgets to instantly upgrade your life. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss out on a particular gadget? Be sure to let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, you should definitely check out 10 new tech gadgets and inventions you should have. See you in the next one.